Good morning, children. Welcome in today's class. We are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter 21, the story of fire. You will be able to understand the way of life during the age of caveman, the change in their lives after the discovery of fire. Early man used to live in forest. At some point, early man must have seen jungle fire, so he started using fire for his protection from wild animals. Early man was totally dependent on nature for his survival. They used to live like animals in the forest. They had to move from one place to another in search of food, mostly used to hunt animals and ate raw flesh. अपने ज़िंदा रहने के लिए वो जानवरों का शिकार करते थे और they used to eat raw flesh, means without cooking it, before the discovery of fire. Then they used to wear leaves to cover their body and skin of animals. We actually don't know how the fire was discovered by the early man, but there are many stories. There are chances that they must have seen forest fire. He might have seen an animal running away from the jungle fire, so he came to know that fire could protect him from animals, as animals were afraid of fire. It is also possible that some animals were caught in a fire and were roasted. वो जल भुन गए. Later, when man tasted a roasted animal, he found that the meat is tastier and it is softer than raw meat. Now, early man knew that fire was a useful thing, but he didn't know how to make it. Stones. Here you can see how they are producing fire by striking or by rubbing two stones. So the life of early man was very difficult before the invention of the fire. The discovery of fire helped man in many ways. Before the discovery of fire, we used to hunt and eat raw flesh. They didn't wear any clothes. They wrapped animal skins around them. So there we don't have any exact date or time about the discovery of fire. हमें actually नहीं पता कि fire की discovery कब हुई थी और कैसे हुई थी. There are many assumptions related to the discovery of fire कि maybe उन्होंने जंगल में fire देखा, then they saw animals running from that fire. फिर जो यूज़ करते थे stones, वो stones strike करे and they came to know कि हाँ ये यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम to create fire. So before the discovery of fire, life was difficult. बहुत परेशानी होती थी. But after the discovery or how fire helped early man, fire kept him warm in cold weather. आज भी लोग आग जला के बैठते हैं ठंडियों में. क्यों? To keep their body warm. Fire helped to light up his cave or hunt at night. क्योंकि पहले वो अंधेरे में हंटिंग नहीं कर सकते थे, सर्च नहीं कर सकते थे, बिकॉज नथिंग वॉज विजिबल इन द डेंस फॉरेस्ट. लेकिन बाय द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम उन्होंने जब डिस्कवर किया फायर को, तो इट बिकेम वेरी ईजी to hunt animals in night also. Then man learned to cook his food before eating. It was also by chance only कि मे बी कुछ रॉ फ्लैश और मीट पीसेस फायर में गिरे हों, फिर उन्होंने उसको टेस्ट किया हो और उन्हें लगा हो ओ ये तो बहुत टेस्टी है, हाँ इट इज़ सॉफ्ट नाउ. So these were the assumptions related to the story of fire. Later, man started worshipping as he knew it was dangerous. You must have seen movie The Jungle Book. In that also, that fire it is called Rakt Phool. वाई बिकॉज जब वो दूर से देखते थे तो उन्हें वो ऐसे फ्लावर जैसा दिखता था एंड दे वर्शिप्ड इट बिकॉज उन्हें लगता था कि वो बहुत डेंजरस है और वो हमें ख़त्म कर देगा. सो दे स्टार्टेड वर्शिपिंग इट. विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम द वेज ऑफ प्रोड्यूसिंग फायर ऑल्सो चेंज्ड. Man started using coal, natural gas and kerosene oil to light fire. Burning of coal produces energy. We make electricity with it today. Gobar gas is also used for lighting fire. Let's move to the uses of fire in daily life. Fire is used to cook food. We all know and we must have seen in our houses also that mother used to cook food. किस पे बनाती हैं? Now gas stoves are available at home, but पहले ये भी नहीं थे. They used to make mud चूल्हा. हाँ, गाँव में अभी भी होते हैं, विलेजेस में आप जाएंगे तो यू कैन सी देयर वो मड के चूल्हे बनते थे एंड वहाँ पे बाय यूजिंग वुड और काऊ डंग केक आप उससे मम्मा लोग उससे कुकिंग करते थे. सो फायर इज़ यूज टू कुक फूड. वी कैन ऑल्सो ईट रॉ फूड ऑल्सो लाइक फ्रूट्स, देन कैरेट, टमेटोज, अनियन. बट सारे के सारे फूड्स को आप रॉ कंज्यूम नहीं कर सकते हैं एंड फॉर दैट यू नीड टू कुक योर फूड बिफोर ईटिंग बिकॉज कुकिंग हेल्प्स in the digestion of food also. In many industries, fire is used to melt iron to make weapons. जो रिवॉल्वर्स हैं या आयरन के जो भी वेपन्स हैं वो सब बनाने के लिए production companies or industries they use to melt that iron to mold it in different shapes, and for that they need to melt it. Now the melting point of iron which is very high, so they need fire to melt this iron. Fire is used to bake bricks for constructing houses. जो भी ब्रिक्स होती हैं, these bricks they are made up of mud and then आपको पता है चिमनी, you must have seen chimneys where these bricks they are baked at high flame. अब इन्हें क्यों बेक किया जाता है? इन्हें और ज़्यादा मज़बूत और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए. फिर इन्हीं bricks को we use और masoon they use to build houses, buildings, etc. Still, there are machines which run with the help of fire energy. For this, fire is very important. अभी तो there are electrical engines, but सबसे पहले when steam engine, तो steam आपकी कैसे बनती थी? With the help of fire only. So fire was used in engines, railway engines and machines. They run on this source of energy. with this I am going to end today's class. I hope आपको स्टोरी ऑफ फायर और द डिस्कवरी ऑफ फायर के बारे में आपको समझ में आया होगा है. देर आर ओनली अजम्पशंस कि इस तरीके से फायर की डिस्कवरी हुई है. बिफोर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ फायर अर्ली मैन दे यूज टू ईट रॉ फ्लैश. फिर विंटर्स में उन्हें खुद को वार्म रखने के लिए कुछ नहीं था. देन they were not able to protect themselves from the wild animals. Later, after the discovery of fire, which was discovered by striking 2 flint stones, and it was also by chance only कि during the hunting जो अर्ली मैन थे उनसे गलती से स्टोन स्ट्राइक हुआ और some of the fire pieces they maybe they have fallen on the dried leaves and then caught fire, and इस तरीके से आपका फायर का डिस्कवरी हुआ. So the discovery of fire helped man in many ways to keep them warm in cold winters, then to light up their caves or hunt at night, to cook their food before eating. Then there are many uses of fire in our life also, in melting iron, in baking bricks, in producing energy for cooking, etc. That's all for today's class, children. Thank you.